Did you know you can go to the doctor? And did you know that if they both bill, you won't have to pay? There's no need to worry at all. Just drop in or give them a call. Did you know? Did you know? Did you know?
My name is John, and I've lived in the Northern Territory for as long as I can remember. I enjoy my life here. I'm surrounded by my family and lots of old friends. Get your checks done, people. I go to work each day at the radio station, where I get to talk to all sorts of people in the community. You're on Radio Lyric here, 94.5. If you're out there on the roads today, it's a little bit wet, so just be careful on driving conditions. But as we get older, well, it's natural we have to really take care of ourselves and watch our health. Or as my doctor tells me, pay attention to what our body is telling us. I'm in an age group now where it's important to look after your health and be proactive. I never really liked going to the doctor that much in the early days. But did you know that the more that you go to the doctor and talk about your health, the better off you are?
How you going, mate?
Yeah, good, thanks, Doc. And if you go to the doctor that bulk bills, it's free. I'll explain this a little more in a minute.
Alright, so everything looks pretty good with your knee.
But here's the thing about my story. A little while back I was feeling sick and I did have to attend the clinic regularly for a while, until I got better. Sometimes I'll catch the bus there, or sometimes one of the mob might give me a lift. I've learned a lot about being around doctors and nurses, and let me tell you the secret. Going to the doctor regularly, especially as you get older, is so very important. You shouldn't just go to the doctor because you feel sick. You should go to the doctor for regular health checks, even when you feel fine.
Oh, okay. And
What this means is that the earlier the doctor or nurse detects an illness, the more chance they have to fix it. That's why it's important, especially as you get older, to get a full health check regularly. But it's not just about older fellas like me. It doesn't matter how old you are. Don't be afraid to go to the doctor or clinic anytime to talk about your health. No matter whether you're male or female, young or old, nothing to be worried about. They're here to help. And you know, we all have family and friends that might be too scared or too ashamed to go to the doctor or call up to make an appointment. It can be a bit scary, but really there's nothing to worry about. If ringing up makes you feel nervous, you can ask your family or friend to ring up for you. Just call up the clinic or doctor and ask to make a time.
Certainly, you'd like an appointment for today.
Doctors and nurses are there to help us mob out. Call them up and make an appointment, any time you like.
2 o'clock this afternoon it is. Wonderful, thank you very much.
Did you know about bulk billing? It means that some clinics don't charge you to see a doctor. That's great because you can get your health check for free and you can go whenever you like. Next time you call up for a booking, just ask if the clinic bulk bills. It's okay to ask and it's not shame. When you go to the doctor, it is important that you talk openly about how you are feeling and what it is that is worrying you.
no migraines or anything like that?
Oh, I just feel a bit dizzy every now and then.
Oh, that's no good. Well, we'll just continue to check your blood pressure.
They are there to help you, but they can't help you if you don't talk to them honestly. A lot of us mob are shy, but you'll find the doctors and nurses to be very understanding. They've seen just about everything. It's okay to talk openly to them. I'm a pretty lucky bloke. I enjoy having my family and friends around me.
You want a cup of tea?
Yeah. My health is really important to me and I pay close attention to what my body is telling me. Be back in about an hour. I know my doctor and the nurses at the clinic really well. I know them like my friends now, and I trust them with my health. It's that easy. So remember, don't be afraid to get a health check regularly. Talk openly to your doctor or health worker, and don't forget to ask about bulk billing. There are many people in our communities that live with diabetes. Checking your blood glucose levels can help you look after your diabetes. Regular self-monitoring can help you see the effects of food, exercise, medication and illness on your blood glucose levels. If you see any patterns or changes in your blood glucose levels, you should discuss them with your doctor. To check your blood glucose levels, you will need a blood glucose meter, finger pricking device with lancets, and blood glucose testing strips. There's a wide variety of blood glucose meters, and you can get one either by talking to your diabetes educator at your local Aboriginal medical service, or they can be purchased from Healthy Living NT or through your local pharmacy. The National Diabetes Service Scheme, NDSS, is a national registration that allows people to access blood glucose testing strips at a subsidised rate. If you are interested in self-monitoring, talk to your local diabetes educator or doctor to discuss what monitoring is most appropriate for you.
Did you know you can go to the doctor? Did you know? Did you know?